Look at him and his young ordinary to warm soup. Princess cannot do it.
And even these things are salty.
The thing is that some part of the soup is not properly warmed.
You see?
It's still very cold.
Very cold.
And sharp.
Ice block.
What about the maids?
They have been sacked. All of them.
Why? What happened?
Ask my friend. He knows.
Don't mind him. He was here too when it all happened. Those girls, they were gossiping and they sent them back.
Gossiping?
Yeah.
Farapuzolo fayalo biakupasile. So, what will you guys now do?
We'll be copying now until they get new ones. What can we do? Eh? Look at what Princess did. Come on to one soup.
You can't.
She was calling the whole villagers to come and on gas. I never knew that this is what she end up with. She called this one, called me. I said, I don't know how to, now look at it.
Baby, you know I can cook, right?
Where?
Is it not better if I apply and work here? Can they do now?
Don't even try it. Go to Kano. Because I don't want your father and I to have issues. The way I feel now, I may end up fighting him. Then people will say, dude is fighting old man. Eh?
Juliet.
Just go to Kano. I will sort myself out.
Juliet, let her walk now. See, she will be giving us better food.
Oh, one more. My girlfriend will become your cook. Don't you have girlfriend?
I have, but my girlfriend is working.
Let her be sacked.
God forbid.
Let her resign to come and work here. My girlfriend doesn't have that time. See, the thing is, there's one stove I have at home. I'll go and bring it. Both of us will start cooking our own food before Princess will poison us. Yeah, bro.
She does.
Huh?
Yes. That's a very good.
This is not good food now.
We are eating junk food.
Ice block.
That's junk food, sir.
Ice block.
See.
What kind of princess is this? What kind of princess? Eh?
See.
Obamnant. Hey.
Salt and medicine.
They go do. A food that another person prepared. Princess cannot warm it. Manage it. Now, don't know the chicken. Hey, you never come. Yeah, but that's to the actual. No, I'm worried about that. That's to the actual. Go ahead and follow the jazz at the top.
Thinking about what we discussed earlier, I have someone I can recommend as a cook.
Okay.
Yeah, he is good and well experienced. He has worked in a 5-star hotel at Enugu.
He, you said?
Yes, a he.
I don't think we need a he. You know, we have a grown-up daughter here. And men of these days are not to be trusted. You know what I mean by that.
Not at all, Igwe. This one is well-cultured and loyal. Besides, Igwe, we need men around here. They don't have time for idle gossips. Remember our experience with the past workers. And if you're worried about our daughter, Adobe, don't be. Our daughter has class and taste. She wouldn't fall for an ordinary cook.
In that case, we have to make it public. Let's allow people to apply, and from there we'll make our choice. Okay?
Okay.
Do you remember Donna Tusofo? My childhood friend, Donna Tusofo.
I don't think I remember him.
It's okay. Though he has once told me that he wants me to employ his daughter to work with us in the palace here. Though I haven't done that for a long time. I gave him my word, but I think this is an opportunity for the girl to work here in the palace.
But Igwe, you know we need the best hands here. We don't need girls around. We have vulnerable men here.
But our son is not a kid. Our son is not a kid.
Thank you.
Don't come here.
Your second might come in if we start doing the other one.
Oh, he's not coming. Both of us have discussed it. He's going to sleep outside. Eh? Or are you not going to do me send off?
I want to. I honestly want to. But you know here is not conducive enough for us.
Hey.
See, I told you.
Juliet, what's going on? I want to sleep now.
You want to sleep hard? Don't understand. Did we not discuss this thing that you were going to sleep outside?
No, I've been standing outside for the past 4 hours and mosquito has been dealing with me.
Inside mosquito?
Yes.
Mosquito?
Yes, now outside.
When did mosquito start work here?
Juliet, you and I know that there is mosquito outside.
Which mosquito? Eh? But when your girlfriend used to come, I used to stay outside. Eh? I'd rather make mosquito my friends.
Juliet, it's a lie. There was no mosquito when she came. You only went outside to receive fresh air.
You're going to sleep on the ground, though?
No, Juliet. You know I'm not physically sound. I get fever. You should come and lie down on the floor and let me enjoy on top of the bed.
Any day your girlfriend will come here, malaria will do me. You will see. In fact, Kwashoko will do me. I will not leave this room. I should come and sleep on the ground.
Yes, now.
So you sleep on the bed as governor? Eh? No, go and collect Igwe's cap and wear. So that we know that you are Igwe.
Juliet, you know she'll keep you company on the floor. Then let me just stay on the bed here.
No, the bed will keep you factory. Follow like this, come and sleep. No problem. Don't stop looking at that place.
No, I'm okay.
Before you are this thing with the focus.
I told you that I have fever.
Focusing.
I told you that I have fever. Now you are doubting me.
You have fever?
Yes.
You have fever? It's alright.
You want mosquito to finish me outside here?
No send off for me. It's alright. No send off. No send off for me. This guy is crazy.
Okay, he can handle it. Alright, fine. Why don't you leave this business for him? Eh? Okay, but you don't need that business anymore, eh? After all, you won't be needing the money. Yes. Okay, darling. But please, do not allow it to bring issues between both of you, okay? Alright then. I'll see you soon, okay? I love you. Kisses.
Mom. You're still here?
Yes.
Who was that?
Oh, that was my friend, Queen Okechi of Amako here.
Oh.
I was just trying to settle some issues.
Oh, okay.
And you? Why are you still awake?
Just lazing around. I want to watch some TV before I go to bed.
Okay. Enjoy. I am so tired. I need to go and freshen up. Enjoy. I'm so tired. Let me go and freshen up.
Sorry. Good night, mommy.
Good night, dear.
What is the secret relationship going on? Hey, what is this private lifestyle in the royal home? Everybody's playing.
Oh, I can't wait for this girl to come here. By now, I would have found my way to her room. Whatever it will cost, with time, I will marry her.
Igwe, you're still awake.
Yes, Lord, I'm still awake. Just that I'm in thought. Where did you go?
Oh, I went to make sure the kitchen is locked.
It's okay. You may sleep now. I'm still having some thoughts.
About what?
Yeah, about my meeting with the governor next month. Yes.
Okay. Good night.
What is the secret relationship going on? Hey, what is this private lifestyle in the royal home?
Oh, I can't wait for it to come, so that when this boy comes, I'll be so happy in this palace. If you like, you can travel outside of the country. Who cares?
Really? Oh my baby, this will be very nice. No, don't worry yourself, I'll soon be there. And trust me, I'm going to make you feel good. Of course, my love, you know me now. I'm a very smart woman. I know how to handle things. As always, you know. You know. Baby, baby, baby. Oh. Okay, baby. Bye. Oh, so you're smiling anyhow this morning. What is the problem? Yes, my darling, I'm so excited. Because I just finished speaking with my boo. My boo, 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 boo. Are you actually serious about this? What do you mean if I'm serious about this? You think I was joking when I told you? My dear, I am not here to joke. Oh. I am extremely serious about this. Yes. And if you still want the job, declare your intentions now, no, so I can help you and sort it out. If you don't talk, a closed mouth is a closed destiny. Thank you so much. Thank you. No, but I don't want. I am fine with the one I'm doing, okay? I'm very comfortable with it. Anyway, let me go. I will see you later when I come back. Because I don't understand you. My happiness seems not to go well with you.
Open this gate now! Open it! Open it! Open the gate! What is all this?
What is it, Etiko?
Why are you asking me? Were you not here yesterday? So you conspired with that idiot yesterday?
What?
And locked me out. Is it not?
Etiko, what are you talking about? You just hit the gate now and I opened the gate for you.
My friend, shut up. Shut up. You're a conspirator. You were here yesterday. I came to see Igwe. And that he-goat.
Myself?
He refused to open the gate for me because of my daughter.
No, Etiko, I wasn't around.
You were here?
No, I wasn't around.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay, so where is he now? Where is that idiot? Where is that he-goat?
In fact, I've not seen him today.
Let him know I am here now and I must see the Igwe right now. Igwe.
Ichie, what is it? I was hearing your voice from the inside.
Igwe, I am sorry for the noise. I came to see you. In fact, I am not happy at all. At all.
What is it?
Igwe, it's about my daughter. And that useless boy that is a guard here, that what do they call it, Jude. I don't know what they call it. My daughter and that boy.
What about your daughter and Jude?
Igwe, it's not something I want to talk about here, standing here. I am very angry.
It's okay. Let's go inside and talk it over.
All right, Igwe.
Come.
You.
Everybody is like
The Okada. Yeah, the Okada. When you need them, you will not see them.
And the sun is too much.
The sun is too much. Oh, sorry. Oh, I can't wait for you to. It was before you come back. I will make it. I will hammer money so that we'll get married.
Baby, please do. If not that my brother sounded angry over the phone, I wouldn't be going to that canoe. Can
you imagine?
But if I get there and he messes up, I will just run away from that house.
No. Don't run away to where they will not see you. Instead, run back to me. Be with me here. Last, I will impregnate you. And we will get married by fire by force. Whether your father like it or not. By the time you get pregnant, he will be like, bring drink. Come and marry my daughter.
Yeah?
Yes, nah.
That time my father will not have say again.
He will not have say. Is he the one that is going to carry the pregnancy?
I will run back in man ovulation so that once we do it, bam, Oba. But I have another plan. When I get there, I will steal my brother's money. Traditional
Now you have come. Steal money, in fact, still like 400,000. Carry all of them.
I will not. I will bring 380,000. Then I will leave 20,000 naira for him.
Better.
Go
Don't worry. It's better. Hey, no Okada. By the time you are in a haze like this, you need Okada. Okada, they will start doing meeting. Yeah? Oh, and they'll be looking for me in the palace now.
My love, I think you should go back. I will continue from here.
Mama, leaving you like this, only you on this road that is lonely. No, I won't try it. I don't trust any village boys. They will come out from the bush now and start washing your brain. Before you know, they will tell you, come to my house and rest. Do you need coke? Do you need Fanta?
I'm not that cheap.
I know you're not that cheap. I know you're not that cheap, but I don't want to try it. I don't want to try my luck.
Osamo, cashew.
Okada!
Okada!
Let's go, Okada!
He's not back yet, Your Highness.
Where did this boy go this early morning? This boy is full of trouble in this palace.
Igwe, I told you. This is the reason why you must sack him immediately. The boy is a nuisance. Criminal. In fact, he should not be found anywhere around your palace. Your noble palace.
Ichie, I am sorry for what he did.
Thank you.
Okay?
Thank you.
Tell him to see me when he comes back.
It's alright, Igwe. I will do that. Igwe.
I don't know. I don't even understand why he has been here up to this time.
Ichiotika.
Igwe.
But I did not see anything bad in him coming around your daughter.
Hey, Igwe. I don't want him. I don't want him around my daughter. A more worthy person will soon come and marry my daughter. Why would I allow this kind of Agbero boy to come around my daughter? Igwe, check this thing. Check this thing. Please help me warn him seriously. I don't want him in my house. I have a double-barrel gun in the house. I don't want this matter to turn to something else.
Each year is okay. I have heard you. I'll warn him seriously.
Thank you, Igwe.
Yes.
Thank you. Igwe, do you know that I came here yesterday to see you? Yes. And that stupid boy did not allow me get in here. He stopped me by the gate. I said, until I allow him access to my daughter, until I allow him marry my daughter, he will not open the gate for me. A whole gate to Igwe's palace. Such a vagabond closed it, locked me out.
Yeah.
It was out of respect for the palace that I did not want to make a scene, and I quietly walked away without saying anything.
When he knows about you very well, he knows you very well, that you frequent this palace.
He comes to my house to look for my daughter.
And he did not allow you enter the palace.
He said that I'm now his enemy. I'm now his enemy. That he has the power. He has power to control everybody here. That even Igwe cannot do anything about him.
Really?
Ask him. Call him and ask him.
It's okay.
Am I going to lie because of what?
It's okay. Don't worry yourself. I am going to deal with it seriously.
Thank you, Igwe. I trust you. I trust you.
That boy has been a headache to me.
Oh.
And I will not spare him this time.
Oh. Let him just go. Let him go and be doing the towaja na tipa obuwaku. Let him go and be cutting palm trees. That's the kind of thing he should be doing. Not wearing cap and hanging around here, doing a guy like this.
I've heard you. I don't know Miku. As I want mono. Mwage bepu ishi.
Bowam.
Nteso.
Ya na yeso no one and like bowam.
Ozoli iwe wezi legi.
Omeya vananya.
Iwe wezi legi ozoli.
Thank you, Igwe. Let me be going now. Thank you for your time. Igwe, and thank you. Oh, because one on what I
will deal with his case.
Does it mean there's nobody in the house? I'll just wait for her a little and then see if she will come. Let me just wait for her here. Where has she gone? Let me stay and wait for her small and see if she will come. Maybe she will come.
Greetings, my queen. Greetings, my prince.
Yeah.
Hello.
Yeah, how are you?
I'm right here. Good day, my princess.
What's your name?
Ella.
Oh. Yes. What?
My queen, my name is Ella.
Oh, Ella.
Yes, my queen.
Ella, are you aware of the kind of staff we need here? Because you seems too polished for this kind of job.
My queen, I am fully aware. My queen, look at my hands. I can do any kind of job. Domestic jobs, indoor jobs, outdoor jobs. My queen, I can clean here. I can mop your palace, wash your clothes, cook for you. My queen, I can do anything. My queen, this job is really important to me. I need this job.
Yeah.
Yes, my queen.
The right person is here. This is the kind of person we need for this job. So what are we still... What? This is the kind of person we need, Mom. You heard what she said. She's hardworking, she can clean, she can do everything, she's energetic.
You mentioned this job was really important to you. Yes, my princess.
I know why. Why is the job so important to you?
What kind of question? Mom, this is not relevant.
Let her speak.
What are you saying? Are you telling me you don't know why people look for job?
Mom.
Yes. People look for job because they want money. They want to be able to get their needs.
Money. My queen, money.
Oh, okay.
Money.
Ella or whatever you are called.
Yes, my queen.
We have heard you.
My queen, am I starting today? Have I gotten the job, today or tomorrow?
You will hear from us. We have your information. You may go.
Okay, my queen. Goodbye, my queen. Goodbye, my queen.
Yeah, take care of yourself.
All right. Bye, my queen.
All right, yeah,
what are you staring at?
Who's she?
You.
Me?
No,
nothing. Was I staring at her? I was just appreciating God's creature.
Can you ever behave yourself?
I'm royalty. I'm a commoner.
Behave yourself.
I will.
Harry, be careful.
The commoner. No. When you see God's
When women get to meet the next person, it's not only Ella, whatever her name is, that has to interview.
Yeah, good morning.
Chioma. Eh?
Good morning, Che.
How are you?
Fine, thank you.
You're fine, eh? Yes, I can see you're very, very fine.
I'm fine, thank you. See, I've been waiting for Ifoma. She's not around.
That one, she left the house this morning. She traveled to Kano to meet her brother.
Kano?
Yes, Kano.
But she did not tell me that, though.
Oh, she did not tell you?
No.
Anyway, I don't know. She's your friend. You know how she behaves. She will not remember to tell you because she's busy gallivanting with that useless boy, Jude. That is the problem. In fact, I'm just coming from Igwe's palace. I want to report them.
Report them?
Yes?
What happened? As in, what did they do?
You asking me what they did? Here. How can a whole me? Imagine my daughter moving around with that useless, hopeless boy. Are you asking what he did? Is that not enough offense? Eh? Anyway, leave that matter. Forget about them. Let us talk about ourselves.
I have to take my leave now since Ifeoma is not around.
Not so not so fast. Okay, where are you rushing to? Eh? There's nobody here. I'm alone. You better stay back and help me do one or two things in the house. You know,
I've told you. Don't bring this talk now. Eh? See, I'm your daughter's friend, and you're my father's friend. What if they find out?
That makes it better. Yes, I'm your father's friend, and you are my daughter's friend. So the equation is not complete. Let us be friends so that it will be complete.
They will find out. They will find out.
Who will tell them? Eh? Who will tell them? If I don't tell, are you the one to tell? Eh? I love you. Eh? I'm telling you, it's because of my daughter that I have not been able to tell you this thing. And see, I have money to give you. A lot of money. Yes! That's my land at Achara. I will sell it because of you. I will sell the land and give you all the money. Just promise that you will love me. Eh? I hope you know that I'm a bachelor. I'm a bachelor. You know what? Wait. I want you to stay back, help me do some things. Like now. Right now, let's say that I have some soup in the kitchen. Come on, help me walk it.
No, they will find out. See.
Who will tell them?
I'm Soma's friend, though.
It's better. It's better. At least if she hears that her friend is in her father's house, she will not feel bad about it. Eh?
This is not good.
Don't worry. There's nobody here. I'm the only one.
Mom, I can't believe that girl is not getting this job. Among all I have seen today, she's the best candidate. She sounded so intelligent and hardworking.
It is obvious what she wanted. She is not here to work, and you know it.
I don't know anything, Mom. All I saw in her was a girl ready to do anything to make ends meet. Mom, come on. Let us do the right thing by giving her a chance.
That girl will not work here. Talk more of living here. Harry, I know what you're looking for.
Come on, Mom. You know I have a serious relationship. Amanda.
Oh, really? Can I say that about your father? Yes. That girl is too desperate. I am protecting my family. You and your father. That girl is too flashy for this kind of job.
Now I see. Someone is trying to protect her husband.
Of course.
Mom, listen. I'm an adult. Stop protecting me like I'm a child. Excuse me.
You mean that man said this thing?
Julesco, I'm telling you the truth. See, that man wants you to be sacked. You have to go and see the Igwe before it's too late. Now!
What's going on? You see that man? I'm going to give him the insult of his life.
He deserves it.
Once I finish that, I'm going to his house now. I'm going to his house straight.
But you see, Jude, the good news is Igwe refused.
Igwe, woman?
Yes, he said when you are back, you should come and see him.
Let me go and see him. You see that man? By the time I'm done with his daughter, I will marry her by fire by force. There's this key I use for women.
Yes.
By the time I use that key on, I will scatter the girl.
Julesco.
She will be scattered.
I trust you. I trust
Looking
you.
for me. Then the man will beg me, come and marry my daughter. Come and marry my daughter. I will say no. I'll be doing shakara. Look, don't worry. Let me go and hold this thing. Let me go and see you. Once I come back, we will be using this stove to be cooking for now. Guys over fine.
Very good.
Guys over fine. Before the new ladies will come. Because this thing princess is preparing. If you and I will hope on it. See us see toilets. We will live inside toilets.
Bedle don't tire.
We will live inside toilets.
Hey.
She can't even cook.
But see, Jude, do you think this will work?
Why not? I'm the owner of the palace.
What
will they do?
What is wrong with
Afam?
Yes, why is okay?
They cannot take me to police. They cannot take me to court.
He wants them.
If you take me to police, I will take police. Afam Kanaz.
Oh, is okay.
Do you understand? He goes when he take room. Let me be cooking my own. Yes, guard kitchen. He goes kitchen.
Hey, Jude's cool.
Go and keep it. I'm coming now. Let's prepare
okay, Jude.
Let me go and see you.
Good luck. Good luck. Hey, good luck. Hey.
Otiko nyentika, okolo tigasia, otiko mumani, ifati nuku na tenyamano, nani kukufe aya fukwani kokoko, maka oku naga wawa manya wawa na fukwani, deni female wagio, otika, aseke chingwayo ejena, hey. Whatever you do in the dark, you must be exposed to in the light, yo. Nothing is hidden under the sun, no. Makani kukufe, aya foni kokuko, no. Onyapuna bachala nyano. Otiko nyentika, okolo tigasia, otiko mumani, ifeti nukula tenyamano, nani kukufe.
Okay, why would I stop? We're the only people in this compound. Only you and I. Calm down.
Just stop. See, this you're telling me that it's not good for me. Besides, I'm too young for you to be telling me this thing.
Young kwa?
Yes, no.
Yeah. You think I don't know what is going on out there? I'm a chakwam. Betrapoa. You're not young anything. You're old enough.
No,
and I'm not too old for you. Don't think I am too old. I'm not even old. See, the problem is that I married very early as an only son. Some of my mates are still doing okorobia. Yes, they've not even married, some of my mates. But I married early and had children. It now looks like I am... Do I look old?
But I'm Informer's friend. I'm your daughter's friend, Chi.
And so we have talked about this thing before, no? It's the same thing. It's the same thing. Informer will not know. Are you the one to tell her? You're my daughter's friend, and I'm also your friend. It's the same. It's a family friendship something. Family friendship, see, baby. See, I have money, like I told you before. I have money, go. Yes, apart from the lands that I have that I can sell because of you. My son sends me money every month. Big money, oh. Yes. Never mind that I was not giving Ifeoma the money. I was not giving it to Ifeoma because that girl is a rebellious child. If I gave her the money, she will give to that stupid boy, Jude. That was why I was not giving her money. But I still have the money. Yes, if you look at me, you know that. Look at my watch. You know what? Finish what you're doing. Let me go and get some money for you. Chichi baby, chami, love my don't worry, let me go and bring money for you. Continue what you're doing. Hey!
Working in this palace is a dream come true, my queen. All I need is a chance to prove to you the stuff I'm made of, my queen.
Let's assume you get this job. Jenny, right?
Yeah.
That's her name?
Yes, that's her name. That's my name.
How will you deal with the pressures of working at the palace?
Did you say pressure? My princess, so you don't know? You don't know what's going on. My name is Pressure. My princess, I can work under any kind of pressure. Be it interior, sorry, I mean internal, external. My name is Pressure. Bring it. I will handle it. I know Pressure very well. My princess.
Now, what makes you think you deserve this job?
Lolo. I know that I deserve this job very well because I know how to take care of people. Okay now, let's take Igwe for an example now. I can take care of Igwe very, very well. I can massage him. I will massage Igwe, massage him until I take all the stress out of him. Lolo, let me not tell you. I can take care of Igwe spiritually, physically, mentally, psychologically, mechanically.
That's okay. You can go.
Does that mean that I have the job?
No.
Hey, Lolo, I beg. You see all this thing, now package it. No mind English while they speak. I can do this job very well, ma. I'm ready for this job, please now. All this thing, see, I for come out this one, but you know it costs now. Now package, you know.
I need a domestic staff here, not a second wife for my husband. Now you can go so that we can attend to others here. Leave!
I should go.
Are you deaf?
Just like that.
What is wrong with this idiot?
Papa, I can do this job.
There is nothing I will not see in this house.
Mom, this interview is very interesting. We should do more.
26, 27, 28, 29, 29, 30,000. Take it, 30,000. All for you.
Wow. Shade all this money for me.
I told you that I will spoil in this village.
Wow, I'm so happy. Thank you so much.
Give me. Mama, do it well. That's the way you will jump up, jump at me. Now, jump.
Thank you. Wow.
I told you that I will spoil you in this village. That every girl will be envious of you.
Shade, thank you so much. I'm very happy. Thank you.
You're welcome.
But I'm so scared though.
Choma, scared of getting back.
Where is this man? Where is he? Come. You are going to beat me today. You want Igwe to pursue me, to sack me. Come on, man. Ichie, come out. Come out. Ichie.
Scared of who? I'm the only one in this compound. My daughter is not in town. She's not coming back any soon. So who are you scared of?
Yes.
You're not doing anything, no.
Did I ask you? No. So this is it, Ichie.
Who is this madman? What are you doing in my house?
Oh, Ichie. Oh, yeah. You are still shouting.
Now, get out of my house. Get out of my house.
You are still shouting on top of your crime. You are shouting. All right. I have caught both of you red-handed. Oh, so this is it. Okay.
Which crime? Which crime? I'm just petting a young girl who is not feeling fine. How is that a crime?
Oh, Ichie, you treat her, then you give her money on top. With the money in her hand, I can see. Ichie, you're not a doctor. I should have known it. I should have known it, Dr. Ichie. Dr. Ichie.
It's not what you saw. It's not what you think.
No, it's not what I saw. You're not in my eyes. You're not in my brain. You will see for me and you will solve for me. No problem. Your father will explain better.
My friend, this girl wants to help me buy something out there. What is wrong with that?
Okay, after treating her, she will go and buy something for you. You will even carry her on Abeya to go and buy things for you. It's all right. Your father will explain to your father.
Oh, no, Jude, now.
Even Igwe, you explain to Igwe where you acquire medical certificate to treat girls, fair girls, at the backyard, Jude, not even in front. It's all right. Good afternoon.
Jude, wait. Just stop him now. Just stop him, Jude. Jude, stop him.
He cannot do anything.
Who said you cannot do anything?
Come.
Jude cannot do anything.
Come first. Let's go inside. Let me explain.
Oh, Jay, this is not good.
He cannot do anything.
No, Jude.
Oh, yeah, Chama. They go do first. I'm just going to do this thing.
Jude, please, I don't do this to me now. I'm begging you now, Jude, please.
Calm down. We're together. Calm down.
I should calm down, huh? I should calm down. See, look at so this is what you do to small girls. You don't even do it in front of them. You take them to the backyard. Where nobody will see you people. Do you know that I was coming? But you will not allow me to marry your own daughter.
No, if that is the problem now, no problem. You can marry her.
Yes, Jude, please don't go and tell my father, please now, please. Oh God, please.
No. I don't want to marry again. No. I don't want to marry again. Keep your daughter by yourself. Marry by yourself. After I have sent her to Kano, who knows whether Onyaosa is prizing her there?
No. Kano, this Kano that is here, Kano is just here. I will send for her and she will come back tomorrow.
Okay.
That's not a problem at all. And I will give you money. I will give you plenty money. Now, calm down. Let us work together on this matter.
Collect this one from her and give to me first. Girl from her Kanji.
It's not a problem.
Yes. Collect it and give to me.
So I will give her that money.
Collect the money from her and give to me.
Give her the money. That's the only money in this house. Give her. I will give you back.
You're welcome. Good. This is good. This is good.
It's here I go. So you're here.
Yeah. Can you give it? No. We are just here, me and my children.
Yes,
we are just chatting.
But I see money passing around.
4 market days, 40,000.
He visited.
Give me the money.
And your daughter.
No.
He did a work for me. Look at water pump. He's a contractor. He did it. So I'm paying him for it.
Yes.
You see this money I have here?
I paid him.
Yes.
This money is for something.
For the contract of water pumping.
Yes,
look at it. He's a contractor.
That is the money.
When he comes back from Igwe's house, he will do water contract.
Yes,
okay, water pump. Yes, water pump. But no problem. No problem.
He's a good boy. We're just having friendly chat.
Yes, sir.
No. Anya Fogeri.
Ichie, don't worry.
Don't worry, I have enough.
I will see you people later. Ichie.
I'll give you and I have some.
I will see you later.
Come. Let me
You see me?
I will see you later. So I can give you some.
Let me go and prepare something for you there.
Yes. No problem.
Let's go inside. I have some drinks. Just come. I have some drinks for you.
No.
I know you have taken enough drinks. I still have some.
They should give me money for me.
I will give you.
What's that sitting up for?
Join us shortly. That reminds me. Mom, this is your professional chef you've been talking about. Are you sure he's not going to show up?
Oh, he'll be here shortly. Yes.
Okay. I can't wait to meet him. This one you've been recommending, saying good things about him. He's a professional this, he's a professional that, speaking highly of him. I hope you will not disappoint us.
I trust Mom's judgment. If Mom says it's good, then it's good.
Trust.
Dad, what about your friend's daughter, the one you said she's interested in working at the palace?
Oh, I just got off phone now with my friend, Donna Tusofo, her father. And he said that the girl will join us soon.
Oh.
Yes. Okay. Very soon she will be here. What of the professional chef you said that will be coming too?
Oh, my king. He will soon be here.
That's okay.
Yes. Well, I've had a lot of applicants, but nobody fits the job yet.
You cannot eat your cake and have it. We had a very, very suitable, a perfect person for that job. But because of your selfish interest and mom's own, you people drove her away.
Harrison, I said shut up your mouth.
I'm just saying, at least I have every right to speak out. Eh?
Harrison, will you shut up your mouth?
Oh, Jude, please now. You cannot do this to me. Sure, you're in love with you, Forma. Don't do this to me now.
Are you the one loving you for me? I'm in love with you, Forma. Is it your business? Is it your business? Did you enter inside my mind to know the kind of love I have for her? So what is your concern? So please, let me tell you, if you are serious, you know where to find me and do what I ask you to do. If you are not serious, you know me. You know me, you know me. Eh? ABC I will announce it anywhere.
Dude, now, please.
Igwe I will start from Igwe. You know me.
Please now.
By the time I tell all the maidens, they will scatter your news.
Jude, I'm begging you now. Jude, don't do this to me now, please. Oh God, why did I even do this now? Jude, what have you made me do? Oh God, what have I done? What have I done? Jude, please wait for me, please.
Interesting. Quite impressive. What's that your name again?
My name? My mother used to call me Waima. Oh. My friends used to call me Mma the Fine Girl.
Oh, Mma the Fine Girl.
The Fine Girl.
Yeah. My king, any further question?
Young girl, please wait for us outside.
She's good. She seems ready to work and...
No. It's a no answer for me. This lady cannot work here. I mean, she cannot work in this palace. Just look at her. She's not looking good, not presentable, not educated. And in this palace, we shall be having guests from time to time. What we are looking for is a suitable person that will project the good image of this palace. Not this type of person, please.
My king, I really don't know what the problem is because I don't understand what you mean by presentable and the image of palace. This is not a brand, nor a company. This is a palace, for crying out loud.
Yes, I know. But I am of the opinion that we should keep searching, looking for a suitable person. And that we will do until we find one. That's all. But for this, no.
To me, this girl is okay.
To me, who is in charge, she is not okay. Take it like that.
Good day, my princess. I assume you're here for the interview.
Yes, my princess.
Have you seen my parents?
Yes. They said I should wait here.
Oh, do you have a name?
Yes, so I have a name. My name is Mma the Fine Girl.
What? That's your name? Your parents gave you that name? My parents call me Wanyima. My friends call me Mma, the fine girl.
Oh, this is quite ironic. Ma,
the fine girl.
The fine girl.
I don't see anything wrong in employing that armless girl to work for us, my king. She's ugly, yes, but that's not a crime. She didn't create herself that way.
Anyway, if you choose not to see anything wrong with her, I do. I cannot go to bed and wake up every day seeing such an ugly face. I cannot.
My king, you don't have a problem there because she's not your wife. I am the first and the last face you will ever see. Besides, she's only going to work in the kitchen and other few places.
I am not comfortable with her. I am not.
Is there something else I should know?
Like what?
Perhaps you have another interest that I should have thought about.
Lolo, are you accusing me of infidelity?
I was only asking.
Then if you want to ask, you ask the right thing. All my life, you are the only woman that I have known. And for you to accuse me of infidelity is wrong. I will not take that.
I'm sorry about that.
Better be sorry, my queen.
Madam, who are you looking for?
I am here for the job interview.
What? Huh? Did I hear you well?
I said I am here for the job interview.
Which job?
Would you let me in or not?
Give me canazo.
What is the problem?
Hey! Is it for you or for your sister?
What sort of lousy question is this? Oga, are you letting me in or not?
Oh, you are threatening me in my own office. Do you know how many years I've been here as a palace guard? You want to open your eyes for me?
So what do we call this? Now let me make you understand this. I am here on the king's request. If you do not let me in right now, I'm going to call him right away.
Calm down, calm down. It has not gotten to that. It has not gotten to that. You should have told me that you are Igwe's cousin or Igwe's mother's brother.
Listen, I'm on heels, okay? I cannot stand for long. Can you let me in?
Don't worry, don't worry. All these Igwe's people, they like to get angry.
Dad, he hasn't gotten to that yet.
But why will your mother try to accuse me? Why?
I didn't do that. I mean, why can't the ugly girl work here?
Mom, calm down, okay? She will walk. Let's talk to her first.
Igwe! Igwe! There is one girl outside there. She says she's your cousin.
My cousin?
Yes. She says she has your phone number. That if I make noise, that she will call your phone. That after all, you're the one that invited her in a special way.
Dad, could this be the girl you were talking about?
Oh, yes. That may be Maureen.
Igwe!
Maureen, yes, my friend's daughter.
Maureen?
Oh, wow. I am very happy now. Please go and let her in.
You are smiling. You know her.
Jude.
Sir?
Go and bring her in. Okay. Every time,
that girl with the black and black, you know her. Igwe.
Every time,
Igwe.
My dear.
Why the excitement?
Ah, la. I said it's my friend's daughter.
Easy life, in the royal house, give me canazo. Abu give me canazo. Give me canazo.
What am I saying? Richie! My God!
Maureen!
Richie! Oh my God! Richie!
Maureen!
What are you doing here?
What is it?
Good to see you.
Good to see you too. What are you doing here?
Came here for the job interview.
Oh, you came for the you came for the job as well?
Yes, I came for the job.
What is happening here? This girl, what is it? I ask you again, who are you and what are you doing here?
What sort of question is that? Haven't I told you? I came here for the job.
Like this?
Like how?
And you are hugging a man in front of Royal Palace. Just like that. Okay, who are you and what are you doing here?
I came for the job.
You came for the job and you started with the hug. Hugging a woman.
Do you have a problem with me hugging him?
I have a problem with that because I'm the general commandant of this palace.
You are just a security man, but you're giving people issues.
No. I'm commander-in-chief. Because I don't like women hugging. Are you? Who is it to you? Is it your brother?
He's my brother.
And both of you don't look alike. Eh? I don't hug my sister like that, though. Can you imagine? Eh? See, but fine boy, you have to take it easy. You're not the only fine boy in this world. I'm also a fine boy in the palace. Okay. It's not because of hunger made me like this.
You're just a troublesome person. Can you let us in already?
Calm down. What will be? You're not the only fine boy here. I'm also a fine boy. But the king is respecting me. Oh, yeah, both of you come inside. Come inside! Move it! Hey, don't hold him. Come inside. Don't hold anybody. Can you imagine? Yes, these are the people that say they need work. This one I can concur. You see this one and this one. I don't know if they really come for the job. Eh? Because if you look at this auntie leg, what if she carry for leg? They can use it to pay me 4 months. Look at this bros. Fine boy with pink lips. Looking so fresh. Are you sure they came for what I came for? You see this one, I can concur, no problem. So they are too fresh for this thing. Are you sure that this is what they came for?
Jude, what are you saying? They are suitable for the job. They're just commoners. Yeah. Yeah. When we need them, I'll send you to bring them.
All right. Now listen, all of you, listen to me. I am the general commandant of this palace. If I say you move, you move. I say you stop, you stop. Now, stand still. I will be at my post watching you people. Any so stay where you are until they need you. Auntie, you are sitting on AC. I will pardon you now. You see this your shoe? I'm targeting it. I've been watching you. Bros, don't do too fine boy here. Don't do too fine boy here. Stand still. Because any you don't look at me. When they need you, I will call you. If you move, never.
A very nice looking young man and lady.
The lady must be Maureen, my friend's daughter. Please let her in at once.
That must be the professional chef. I'm so glad he can make it.
Send the girl in, please. That lady is the perfect choice for this job. My friend's daughter. Oh, my friend Donatus, you are lucky for your daughter to be working here now.
My king, you sound like you know her too well. You speak highly of her all the time.
Well, I don't know her very well, but the father, Mr. Donatus, I trust his parenting. He's quite a disciplinarian, a man who doesn't tolerate rubbish from anybody. So I know the daughter is disciplined, like the father. Yes.
We shall see.
There's one of you? I hope you know what you're here for, right?
I do.
Young lady, you don't speak to me sitting down. Stand. Next time, you won't be so lucky. Who is more in here? That you?
I am.
Good. My parents will see you now.
Right.
Stop. You walk behind me.
This sun is too much. I'm standing under the sun. Why was she acting like that?
That one. She's just too full of herself. It's because her father is the king, that's why she's doing all these things. I'm not seeing how.
That's why she kept us under the sun.
Just relax, okay? I know what is going through your mind now. What's going through your mind is, how did you get my number? Isn't it?
Yes.
I got your number from the form you submitted today.
Oh.
And when I set my eyes on you, I was dumbfounded. Yeah. Astonished. And I said to myself, what is this pretty, entitious, intelligent, entitious creature doing in the palace? And I said, wow, this girl must be filled with humility to have come to the palace to seek for such a job. And something said inside me, Prince Harry, you really need to know much about this girl.
Well, my prince, I really need this job. I desperately need it. You see, I have a sister back home that is very sick and we are orphans. So I need the money. I need the job.
Wow. Sorry about that.
My prince, I don't know if there is anything that I can do. Whatever you want me to do, just name it. I will do it. I just need to get this job.
Nothing? Yeah, nothing. You don't need this job. Okay? Relax. Now you have Prince Harry and you're covered.
Really?
Yeah.
Young lady, that may be all for now. You wait for us outside. My wife and I will put heads together. We'll get back to you.
Thank you so much, Your Highness. I'll be outside.
Make yourself comfortable.
My king. My queen. Greetings.
My dear, you're welcome.
Thank you. Greetings, my prince. My princess.
You're welcome, my dearest. Take a bag inside.
Okay.
Guards,
Your Highness.
take her into her.
Can I treat her?
You don't know how to treat her.
Harry! I said leave the bag.
I can do it, my prince. Thank you. Please, can you direct me?
Show her the way in.
It means
that you want to carry the bag
After
He said his friend's daughter, so I don't see her as a commoner.
Harrison.
You want to carry the bag of a commoner?
What do you mean?
You're supposed to be the prince.
It means that's very bad of you. That's what she means.
Harrison, that's very wrong of you. You have to behave yourself in this palace. Especially where this girl is.